Imagine walking into Citizen headquarters and saying, "I'd like a practical everyday watch." And Citizen responds, "Best I can do is a 48mm solar-powered underwater battle tank with enough lume to alert satellites and a case thick enough to stop small caliber ammunition." Because that's the Ecozilla, a watch so ridiculously oversized that if it falls off your wrist, nearby tectonic plates file a disturbance report. Most dive watches are designed to survive the ocean. The Ecozilla looks like it was designed to conquer it. And somehow, watch nerds saw this giant radioactive sea monster and said, "Perfect, I'll wear it to Tesco." The Citizen Ecozilla BJ8057-09X is one of the most iconic dive watches Citizen has ever made. And unlike most modern dive watches, it doesn't pretend to be subtle. You get 48mm DLC-coated stainless steel case, around 18mm thick, 300-meter ISO-certified dive rating, Eco-Drive solar movement, massive screw-down crown at 9 o'clock, matte green dial, polyurethane strap that could double as industrial lifting equipment. This isn't a watch. This is what happens when engineers are given a task and management goes on holiday. Citizen has been making watches for over a century. In 1995, they introduced Eco-Drive, a revolutionary idea. What if watches simply ran on light? No winding, no battery changes, just sunlight. An objectively brilliant innovation, which explains why watch enthusiasts immediately ignored it and argued about bezel finishing instead. Then Citizen created the Ecozilla, a 55mm titanium diver rated to 1,000 meters. At 55mm, it wasn't a watch anymore, it was maritime infrastructure. Most companies would have backed away slowly. Citizen looked at it and said, "Let's make a solar version." Thus, the Ecozilla was born, a decision nobody needed and everybody appreciates. Let's address the elephant on the wrist. 48mm. The Ecozilla enters a room before its owner. People don't notice you're wearing it. They notice that something has blocked out the sun. The bezel is enormous. The crown guards are enormous. The strap is enormous. Every design meeting clearly ended with somebody shouting, "Make it bigger!" The crown sits at 9 o'clock. Officially, for comfort. Unofficially, because putting something this large at 3 o'clock would require risk assessment. And the bezel teeth? They look capable of opening canned food, removing wheel nuts and performing emergency dentistry. Most dive watches are designed for wet fingers. The Ecozilla appears designed for use while wearing diving gloves, welding gloves, and full medieval armor at the same time. Now, despite looking like an escaped piece of heavy machinery, the dial is fantastic. The green sunburst finish catches the light beautifully. The hands are massive. The indices are massive. Everything is designed around one principle. Readability first. Aesthetics can catch up later. Now here's where the joke stops, because Citizen absolutely nailed the engineering. Inside is the Eco-Drive B873 movement, powered entirely by light, sunlight, office lighting, the refrigerator light at midnight. A full charge lasts roughly 6 months. Meanwhile, mechanical watch owners are proudly celebrating 72-hour power reserves. Citizen owners haven't thought about power reserves since the last season of their favorite TV show. The Ecozilla is for a very specific person, someone who owns multiple dive watches, several flashlights, at least one multi-tool, and enough emergency gear to survive a zombie outbreak. This is for somebody who refers to shopping as a supply acquisition exercise. Nobody needs 300 meters of water resistance. The Ecozilla owner simply enjoys knowing they have it, just in case Neptune starts causing problems. And then there's the lume. Good grief. This isn't lume. This is a renewable energy source. Turn off the lights and the Ecozilla becomes the brightest object within several postal codes. If your house loses power, this thing becomes part of the emergency response plan. The Citizen Ecozilla BJ8057-09X is oversized, overbuilt, overqualified, completely unnecessary, and utterly brilliant. While the rest of the industry spent decades chasing elegance, refinement, and restraint, Citizen built a giant solar-powered sea monster and refused to apologize. The Ecozilla doesn't care about trends. It doesn't care about shirt cuffs. It doesn't care about your opinion. It only cares about surviving the apocalypse. And frankly, I believe it could. Final verdict: the Citizen Ecozilla BJ8057-09X. A watch for people who think a Rolex Deep Sea is cute, compact, and probably suitable for children.